Adora Delight Weight Loss is being promoted as a simple solution to burn fat quickly and naturally. But the real question is whether it can actually compete with something like Ozempic, or if that comparison is just marketing hype. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Many weight loss products use ingredients aimed at boosting metabolism, reducing appetite, or supporting energy levels. However, here's the key point. There's no credible evidence that Adora Delight comes anywhere close to the results of Ozempic. There are some surface-level positives. Easy to use, usually in supplement form, may offer mild appetite support or energy boost, marketed as a natural alternative. But that's where the similarities end. The biggest issue is lack of clinical proof. There's little to no verified research showing this product causes significant fat loss. Most claims come from marketing rather than independent studies. In contrast, Ozempic is a prescription medication backed by clinical trials and used under medical supervision. It works by regulating appetite hormones and blood sugar, something supplements simply don't replicate. Another concern is overpromising results. Claims of rapid or effortless weight loss are common red flags. No supplement can safely match prescription-level results without strong evidence. There's also the generic supplement issue. Many products like this use common ingredients found in cheaper alternatives. Branding often makes it seem more unique or powerful than it actually is. So, is Adora Delight better than Ozempic? Short answer, no, not even close. It may provide minor support at best, but it cannot replicate the medically proven effects of a prescription drug. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.